Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify real-time shipping rates. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to set up Shopify real-time shipping rates, all you need to do is first you need to head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. And then what you need to do is here, as you can see, we have shipping and delivery under customer accounts. You're gonna simply head over to that. There you can add your different type of details related to your deliveries. You can see your delivery customizations, saved packages, and shipping. Shopify shipping and everything is listed in here. If you want to add a new profile, click onto this and then you can add real-time shipping and everything from here. So that's about it, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.